Hello everybody, and it's been 7 months, and what do we have here? Today we're going to be testing the EST2028AT. It's the remote strobe version of the 7577AT, which is over right here. It's the remote strobe version of the Integrity horn strobe, which is just like, and it has the same strobe, but except this one is a horn strobe, and we're not testing that alarm today. So anyways, guys, this is fire alarm test number 48, and this is the Integrity remote strobe, just on a single gang plate. And I've seen these a lot in my middle school, and they had these in the hallway classrooms, in each classroom in my hallway, along with Integrity remote strobes and horn strobes, all on continuous, and other Wheelock electronic horn strobes. And let's look at the sides. As you can see, there's fire lettering on the sides. Yeah, I know this side is a little bit worn out. This guy came out of the gym a year ago at Riverbend Middle School. And I'm going to flip it over to the back. See, there's not really much of anything back here, except there's two terminals. Like this bottom one's the positive and this top one's the negative. And I'm going to give you a closer look at the model number. Here it is. 2028AT, which is the model number on the far left. And here is the instructions. Actually, no, these are not the instructions. It's also UL listed. And also, it's a 24-volt DC device. It's a strobe, and it's a synchronized strobe because on the front of this, it's got the red font, which is red, which is an enhanced strobe. It's an enhanced strobe, and it's also an Integrity strobe, and the black ones are unenhanced. So anyways, that's basically all you see. Okay. Now we're gonna test the alarm. And also, I almost forgot to mention the strobe is enhanced, and also the unenhanced ones would make a buzzing sound. But this one, which is unenhanced, it will make a modernized squealing sound like a normal capacitor does. So anyways, let's switch on the power. So anyways, guys, let's turn it on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That is really bright. And the strobe is 110 candela, and it is very bright on 110 candela, but unfortunately there is nothing I can do about it. Let's take off the lights. Yeah, it is dark in my room because it is cloudy outside. And I don't know why my camera picks it up really bright, but it is really dark in here. Okay. Let's shut it off. Man, that is super bright on 110 candela, and plus with the enhanced strobe, it doesn't buzz at all. It just makes that really annoying high-pitched squealing noise that comes from the capacitor and stuff like that. So anyways, on to the next part. And for the final part of the test, we're going to be using the EST Asiga 278. Well, I was going to be using the Edwards EST 270 SPO for this test, but what if a pull station to flash the strobe like this one got replaced at some point? And it would probably be replaced with this plastic pull station, the newer one, which is the Sega. So anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this test, let's give it a pull. Let's hold it like this, lift, and pull down. And now let's carefully open the pull station, flip the switch down, back to normal, make sure the handle's up. Yeah, this pull station doesn't have a key lock on it. And if this pull station ever had a key lock on it, it would probably a Cat 45 key lock, which is an EST key, Cat 45. But for the fun of it, guys, let's give it one more pull. Let's hold the pull station so the alarm doesn't fall over. Lift, dual action, lift, and pull. And let's reset it. Stick my finger in the hole. And this thing doesn't want to stand up. Flip the switch back to normal. Make sure the handle's up in the up position. Okay. Then the pull station is reset. Okay. And I know, and I almost forgot, this pull station is owned by Siemens because Siemens rebranded this. It used to be EST, but they rebranded it by Siemens, and this is the pull station that I got from the hospital. So anyways, guys, and I also got a few smoke detectors from that hospital, but sadly they were addressable and they will not work with my system. And if you try addressable smoke detectors on a conventional system, there is no possible way it would work. So they don't work. So anyways, well guys, I hope you enjoyed fire alarm test number 48, a long-awaited 7-month-long test. So anyways, guys, and I know the last test that I posted, that was on my birthday, which is 7 months ago, and I know I'm kind of being bad this year for making fire alarm videos. It's because I got a lot going on in my life right now, guys, and I'm possibly getting a new job and stuff like that, and I'm still working at my original job. I'm just trying to keep myself busy and stuff like that, but here is the video, guys, and I'm sorry it's been so long since I made this series, and 6.5 years this series has been going for. So fire alarm test 48 and 49 will be coming up soon. So anyways, guys, don't go away. I'm still here, and there will be more tests coming really soon, and I promise you guys that. And I really wanted to say thank you all for all the support that you guys have been giving me over the past 6 years that I've been doing this fire alarm test demo series and fire alarm system tests too. So anyways, that's it.